Check out the fit though. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. You know what I'm saying? But check my ride out though. Come on, number down.
Damn! Stand up. I'm from zone 6, nigga. I'm from zone 6. Yeah. I'm from zone 6, nigga.
Alright, man, I'm back, man. So if y'all can see what kind of bike this is while I was taking it apart, this is what it is right here. But so far, if you got a 2017 GSXR-1000r, this is the process of a full system. You see these? You gotta, this basically all this electronic. I didn't know this until I did my research. All this right here electronic, so you gotta take this down, unloosen this, and all this. The most important part that people don't know is, to be truthfully, you don't have to take this off or this off. You see what I'm saying? So you basically can just, you know what I'm saying, do this. Just move this back and you'll be able to do that. You feel what I'm saying? So if you got one of these, you plan on putting a full system, it's pretty much easy if you like taking stuff apart. But this right here, pretty much, this is what I like to do. I like to take stuff apart. So this right here, like my second nature. So this is my baby. So I'll get to y'all when I get everything done. What's up with y'all, man? I don't know if y'all can hear me. I don't know what this quality like, but I'm finna give y'all a little quick little moto vlog over to see if y'all like this angle. This is basically like a test drive on my new pipes. If y'all can hear me or what the quality like. What the quality like, but couldn't see. So this is the angle I got for y'all right now. And we're gonna see if y'all like it or whatever, but I recently installed my BROCKS. My BROCKS exhaust. The BROCKS alien head 2 full exhaust. I got my ECU flash by him, and I got my quick shifter fixed, and right now it's a beast. If you can hear the quick shifter, it's smooth and aggressive. So I love it. But this is just gonna be a little moto vlog, something to upload to the channel. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all like the angle, or do y'all want me to put y'all on my helmet? What y'all want me to do? But it's just a little quick little, you know what I'm saying, a little moto vlog for y'all. If y'all like the angle or whatever. I got a microphone, so tell me the quality. If y'all can hear me over the pipe. So far, I love the pipes, man. I don't know if I'm yelling, but so far, I love the pipes. And it's amazing. It feels so much better. This ECU flash, it has woke the bike up. I'm talking about, it woke the bike up like a... It's a beast, man. It's a beast right now. Crazy. This shit is a beast, man. But let me know if y'all like the content, man, and let me know if y'all want me to do story times on the ride alongs. And let me know if y'all like the angle and the footage and the quality of it. It's just a test run, so let me know in the comments. But I love the BROCKS, man. It woke the bike up a lot. And the ECU flash, man, it woke it up. It's a beast. It's a beast, it's dangerous. I can't really hit it right now because I got somebody following me. You can hear that plate moan. I love it. It's so loud and deep. I love it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm back here. I'm finna do a pull. I went, but that motherfucking pulling. I was at 120 in 4th gear, and I still got 2 more to go. That quick shift is so aggressive now. That shit aggressive. And I left my I left her. I took the hell off on him. I love her. I'm finna hop on and hop off. But y'all, man, it's back and woke up. This motor vlog might be boring. But y'all, man, it woke up a lot, man. I'm not scared of it, but it's a beast. It's so light and nimble. So it luckily got the traction control and all that. It keeps it from coming up in the air. I'm finna do a quick little pull for y'all real quick, because I don't really know what this thing can do, but I'm finna see right now. God protect me on this ride real quick that I'm finna do, and we're finna see what this bad baby can do. I went 160. If y'all can still hear me, I went 160. But I ain't really twisted all the way. I ain't twisted all the way. But yeah, man, I love it, man. It's a different feel from the Booster. If y'all know, if y'all watched the channel before, I had a 2017 Booster. I love the quick shift on this guy. I love it. It sounds so mean and nice. Sound nice as hell. But that's gonna be really it for this video. I might include some more stuff in this video, but that's it, man. I'm out, man. Like, comment, and subscribe.